First is ciabatta bread. Ciabatta bread is originated in Italy, created in 1982 in the Veneto region of Italy. This bread became popular globally in the 1990s. It was designed as a response to the French baguette. How do people enjoy this type of bread? Ciabatta is known for its airy interior and crispy exterior. It is often served with olive oil or used for sandwiches. Its porous texture makes it ideal for soaking up sauces, making it a versatile accompaniment to many meals. Next is challah, originated in Israel. This traditional Jewish bread is enjoyed particularly during the Sabbath and Jewish holidays. The bread symbolizes love and unity, and a small portion of the dough is usually removed and burned as part of a blessing ritual. And next is, how do people enjoy this type of bread? People often eat challah with butter or honey, and it is sometimes used in French toast or bread pudding. Its light, slightly sweet flavors pairs well with both savory and sweet dishes. The third is naan, originated in India. Naan is a traditional leavened flatbread most commonly associated with Indian cuisine, but is also popular across Central Asia and the Middle East. Traditionally cooked in a tandoor oven, and it's often brushed with butter or garlic. And how do people enjoy this type of bread? Naan is often served with curries or used as a wrap for kebabs. Its soft texture and rich flavor makes it a favorite comfort food across the region. The next question is, why is bread a comfort food? Bread is deeply rooted in cultural traditions and is often linked to family, history, and comfort. Whether it's a freshly baked loaf of challah for a holiday dinner or warm slice of naan, which is a rich curry. Bread evokes a sense of warmth and home. Its versatility, ability to be paired with both sweets and savory dishes, and its historical role as a staple food make it one of the ultimate comfort foods across the world. And sabi nga po dito is, for example na lang po dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ah, halimbawa po sa Pilipinas is masasabi rin natin isang comfort food dahil kahit po saan kadalawigan or saan madali po availability niya. For example po, kada sa tindahan may mga buns or slice. Dahil sa Pilipinas po is mahilig naman po yung mga tao na yung tinapay naman po is pinapakain sa kape o sa mga dish na may sabaw. For example is sopas. Kaya tawag din natin na comfort food ang bread dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.